My husband keeps it very clean, and now that he's out of town, so it has become so dirty. Also, the cleaning guy is also on a leave, and now that it's dirty, it's time for me to clean it. I have never cleaned the car, and I always thought that, you know, men do it. It's the task of men. They will clean the car. Whether it be my father, my brother, or even my husband, he cleans it. I'll just clean it and make it shine, and then again break another stereotype which I have inside me, that cars should be washed by men. I'll wash it. So guys, I'm using a bucket because I don't want to waste water. Let's see how I make it shine. Take the sponge and wash it. I'm back with another bucket of water. So this is my second bucket. Let me just clean this. Is clean with soap. Now I'm washing it with water and using a cloth also, so that I don't use a lot of water. Soft cloth. All the water and just put it on all of my car, and my car is beautiful and shiny. I figured out one thing, that you should clean off the water with a little bit of wet cloth, because else the stains of the water will remain on the car, just like this. So you need to remove all these stains. See, and the final touch. This is how it's shining. So this is how it looks once it's clean now, and I am proud of it, and proud that I cleaned my car myself. Oh, I should not touch it. I just cleaned it. That it might not be a guy's thing for a lot of women, but it was for me. So you can find your own barriers, break them, and progress, and make yourself a better person in terms of technology or chores, anything which we're supposed to do in life, apart from the things in which we can never be same. So other things we should all try and progress, and I progressed today by cleaning my car and not making my husband clean it, and I'll see his reaction once he's back, how he'll react that I clean the car. Guys, be Atmanirbhar. Share your own stories of breaking your own personal barriers in your head, whether you're a guy or a girl. I just want that everyone should progress, and everyone should break their stereotypes, and should be able to do anything in the world. So मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ. Yeah. Final touch. गाड़ी कैसी लग रही है?
तुमने धोई है क्या?
हाँ, हाँ। देखो, तो क्या हो गया? मैं धो नहीं सकती?
क्या हो गया?
हैं? बताओ।
क्या हुआ?
अच्छी लगी? अच्छी लगी? रिएक्शन देख।
वही देख रहा हूँ, काफी साफ लग रही है।
Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone.